how to connect Spotify to Euro Truck Simulator 2. I'm going to tell you how to connect Spotify to Euro Truck Simulator 2. But just so you know, there's no direct integration in the game. What you can do instead is run Spotify in the background. Open Spotify queue on your music or playlist and minimize the app. Then launch Euro Truck Simulator 2. While driving, you can use Alt plus Tab to switch back to Spotify and control playback, or just use media keys on your keyboard for volume, play or pause, and skipping tracks. Another option is to use a Spotify widget or a second screen if you want quicker control without leaving the game. And that's how you enjoy Spotify while driving in Euro Truck Simulator 2.